If you want one-on-one coaching session with me, you can head on to my website bloomingumoren.com. I offer one-on-one coaching session on crypto and stock investing. I have tons of classes. If you're new to crypto and you just don't know where to get started from, or you want to give this to a friend, you can head on to my website. It's a step-by-step guide on how to get started with investing in crypto. So this is a guide for anyone that is new to investing in Bitcoin and you're not just sure on how to go about this. In this particular guide, I laid it out in 10 different lessons. It covers everything that you need to know about crypto investing, and it lays it down for you in an easy and digestible content. Okay, so if you want a copy of this, head on to my website. It's very easy to understand. It's called the Crypto Beginner's Guide. I'm gonna leave the link in the description below.